Welcome in my vlog. Hi guys. I'm going on upstairs to find something to made. Box to put my books and other paper in it. So let's go.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking.
Let's open the door and see. There is a small garden where my father plants the flowers. I'm going to see the pigeons. Pigeons afraid of me and fly away, looking so beautiful while flying. Coming back, found this from my storeroom, thinking how to utilize it. I'm going to show you how many pigeons are sitting on a roof. See it? Oh, there are so many. They again afraid of me, so let's go, don't disturb them. Going back to start the process. Going and keep going. My brother decided me to help me. He doesn't give me permission to record because he is shy. We found nails after a great struggle. So with them, I made this. And this box I made behind the camera. I tie it with some ropes to make it stronger. Here I am putting my things in it. My files, my drawings, my charger, my airports, my today's drawing. And here I am putting it on my side table. Here my final setting. Why it's looking so beautiful to me. Thanks for watching video. Meet you with my